Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: the make group does not replace the primary function of EOCs for or other dispatch organizations. A to B for the answer. The question is: the statement is A to the multiple agency coordination make group does not replace the primary function of emergency operations center as EOCs or other dispatch organization. Instead, make group provide strategic coordination and support to higher level, assisting in resource allocating, policy development, and overall coordination among the multiple agencies involved in incident management. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.